Welcome everyone to Forsage Metamask sign-in instruction video. Today I'm going to show you how to sign in, guys. Of course, you do this through Metamask on your, whether it's on the Google Chrome browser or Firefox browser. Those of you that downloaded Metamask and you want to continue to use it, to sign in Forsage. Of course, if you haven't noticed, Metamask has upgraded their wallets. So basically, what they are doing now is you won't be able to sign in until you connect the wallet. They just want to make sure it's you logging in, guys. I love these new security features these wallets are adding, trying to make our accounts more secure. So I'm excited about that. Of course, I'm a member of Forsage, and I just want to share this video. Okay, real quick, guys. You can see I got multiple wallets. Yes, I do. Some of them already got connected to Fire, to Forsage. You can see the little icon, the little white icon with the panther. That's a sign that I connected the wallets. But for this video, I'm going to show you live. Let's choose a wallet here. Scroll down. What I'm going to do here. So whatever wallet that you have, if you have multiple wallets, you could connect each one. I'm going to show you. For example, I'm going to click this one. Of course, it says not connected. So that's your first step. So, of course, you go to the website, lk.forsage.io. That's the website. So I'm already there. I'm going to hit connect, guys. And see, it's gonna ask, do I want to connect the wallet? I'm gonna say yes. So I'm gonna hit connect. You see that? So I did connect the wallets, and I'm gonna hit X. Let me see in the other wallets I want to connect real quick. Of course, I got multiple accounts, but if you just have one, just hit connect on that one. Let me try this with two. I'm gonna hit connect, and I'm gonna just show you live. Now, since you see it got green connected, so guys, they want to make sure it's really you logging in, into your official back office. So if you decide you want to buy levels, they want to make sure you connect to it. That is you connecting. So it should be only you connecting to your wallets, as far as the inside where you could buy your levels. So I'm gonna just click authorization, because that's how you buy your levels. Yes, this is normal. See, I couldn't do this without connecting the wallet. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit sign, and it should log me right into the back office of that account. Yep, see 1331. Okay, so I'm good. So that's awesome, guys. Just want to show you that. I'm gonna log out and choose another wallet. Just show you. I'm gonna scroll back up. All right, let's go to another one here that's not connected yet. Let me see here. I'm gonna click on this one. That's another account. I hit authorization. See, you notice I already hit connected. Now see, sign. So I'll be able to log right into this back office. So that's how you sign in, guys. And guys, always remember, you can only buy the next level, clip it to shopping cart, when you automatic sign in through authorization, not in view mode. What's view mode? I'm gonna hit log out. View mode is this. You put in your ID number or ID number, okay? That's on the view mode. It says right here, viewing. In order to log in your account, you have to sync your Forsage with your Metamask wallet. Okay, this is only for Metamask and those who got computers. Okay, Trust Wallet's different. It should automatically log you in on your phones and through Go Wallet and whatever wallets others are using to log in Forsage. So I will just show you live. This is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps. And that's basically how you do it. Never share your 12C words or private keys with anyone, guys. That's how people can access your account. Don't fall victims of these scams going around. There's a lot of scams going on, guys. Please be careful. Anytime anybody asks you for 12C words or your private keys, they are hackers, they're scammers. Never share that with anyone. Thank you for watching this video.